Today I am at Wellington's Majestic Centre, which is officially the tallest building in Wellington. The building opened in 1991 and has some really nice, awesome KONE Asian M series lifts. The main lifts in this tower are actually separated into two banks, a low-rise bank and a high-rise bank, and then there's also a couple of lifts which go down to the underground car park. So let's start with the awesome high-rise lifts. These are the high-rise lifts at the Majestic Centre. So the high-speed KONEs. This is the tallest building in Wellington. Now I'm not 100% sure, but I have a feeling that these might be getting modernised, so which is why I'm filming this today. Press the lobby button so we can go straight back down. Instantaneous door close when I press the door close button. It's fantastic. Another set of buttons this side. So these are Asian M series. There's your capacity. There's a little indicator here, tells you which floors the lift's going to be stopping at. Wow, super fast. We are back at lobby. Yeah. Sorry for the shakes. That's it. And now we go to the low-rise lifts, which are identical to the high-rise lifts. Now we have the Majestic Centre's low-rise lifts. So these are exactly the same design as the high-rise lifts. No, 15's locked. Okay, 11's the highest we can go. They're probably just as fast. Yeah. Again, nice quick door close. Capacity. You can see the little dot moving. Here we are back at the lobby. Somehow I don't think those are the original chimes, but there you go. That's it. And finally, we finish off by going into the car park lifts. Here we have the car park lifts at the Majestic Centre. Take the car on the right as it's here. Yeah, those are generic chimes. Basement 6 is locked, basement 4 is locked. Okay, so we can only go as far as basement 1. So these are EPL KONE. Back to lobby. Capacity 950 kgs, 14 persons. Much more basic design for these lifts. Now I think NZ Lift said that these two cars are not the same, so we'll try and ride the other one as well. That one goes down the B2. Okay, they're running off the same controller, it's calling this one again. Now down on basement level 1 and... Typical, it's called this one now. The original chimes are still here on base 1. I've actually checked and I think both cars are actually the same. I can't see any difference between them. So it seems to default to the right hand car. So both lifts are here. So if I press both buttons, it'll default to this car. It won't open that one at all. Even if I press down, it will wait for this one to go. We can take it back up. Like I said, I think both cars are exactly the same, so... NZ Lift said that they were slightly different inside, but I'm not sure they are actually. But in any case, there's still some really nice lifts. You can see the European style M series there on the key switches, and then Asian M series buttons. I think they definitely are modernising. I've just seen 3 KONE engineers walk through, and there's a KONE van down in the basement. Maybe they're going to convert these to a Polaris system or something. Actually, that would be pretty cool, actually.